Hello friends, welcome back to channel. In our previous video we were talking about PV display, VG display and LV display. Okay, so currently we are having one disk LSPLK. Okay, on this which we have created a PVS of this much GB. Now VGS, our VG is already having 664 MB free space, but if I want like 1 GB free space consume in some other disk, what we'll do, a virtual machine setting, storage, then setting, hard drive. Okay, we'll get of VDI of dynamic allocation, size of not 8 GB, 1 GB, create. So 1 GB is that. Okay, this got attached. Okay, let's bring our server up. So our server came up. Let's connect like putty. Let it become a root user. Okay, so we'll do LSBLK. Is showing one disk SDC is there. So now I will take this disk under a PV. PV create. First we'll see, okay, we are having two PV create. This time we'll not create any partition, we'll try to take the raw disk SDC and PVS is got successfully attached. Now we'll bring to VGS. Now I will try to extend the VG extend, and the VG name is VG0, and from which disk let's take SDC. Okay, so earlier free size was 664 MB VGS, so now it is having 1.66 GB free and the total size 2.14. Now it is having 3.15. so VG got extended. Now if we do PV display, it will show 3 disks SDC also, which is attached to VG. But VG display, now VG display what is showing, VG name is this one, metadata 2, sequence is 2, max LV, current LV we have created 2 VG, open VG is 2, PV physical volume is part of 2 physical volume, active and attached. VG size is this much, physical extend size 4 MB, total PE is this much, we got extended. Okay, so now we are having space in VGS and we can extend any of the LV, like LV extend L by how much G plus 1 G. Let's save Apple VG0 LV0 or LV1. Okay, and if H LV1 is not yet extended, so for that we have to resize to FS. Let's take VG0 LV1. Okay, H got increased, and it was 445 MB, now it is 1.4 GB. So this how you can take any disk in a PV and then VG, and accordingly you can create a LV. Now let's see VG is still having 680 MB. So when you extend a VG, and if you see VG display command, it will show it a part of 2 disk in previous VGS, also showing 2 PV, 2 LV, and these are the attribute, total size and free size. So this how you can take any disk in a PV, then you can create a VG, extend a VG, or create a LV or extend a LV. So that's all for today's video. Please practice this thing. If you have any query, any question, put in a comment box. I will try to answer your questions. See you in the next video. Goodbye.